Well, this is one of our dogs, Buddy. He's about 7 months old, and for some strange reason, he just loves oranges. We come outside, and he sits by the tree and waits for one of us to peel an orange for him, and he eats it. And we've had dogs before. He's a bit partial to strawberries, and our other dog, Jetta, where's she gone? She loves strawberries too, and cherries. But this is he sits by the tree. We've got to peel it for him. So oh, that was doggy looking good, wasn't it? Where's some more? I think no, you've had enough for today. Yeah. Weird. I don't know. They say it's not, some foods are not good for pets and so on, but it doesn't seem to affect him. He loves eating oranges. Yeah, well. He's not waking his tail, hoping for another one. Hey? Okay, see you later.